Hello students, welcome in session 2 of lesson 2 locating places. This is the second video of the chapter. So in the last video we will learn about latitudes, that are the horizontal lines we can see in a globe. Today we are going to learn second type of imaginary lines, that means vertical lines, which we can see in a globe, that are longitudes. So, in latitude, we learn that many horizontal lines are there. All these horizontal lines are called parallels of latitudes. So, likewise, in this longitude also we can see lot of vertical lines are there. These vertical lines are known as meridians of longitudes. Okay, like in our latitude, we learn that equator is the most important latitude, isn't it? Likewise, in longitude, one important longitude is there, that is called prime meridian or main meridian. Both are correct, prime meridian or main meridian. So, prime meridian is an important longitude. The word meridian means midday or half of the day. Longitudes are known as meridians of longitude, and one important longitude which is passing through a place, Greenwich, near London. This meridian is called prime meridian. Longitudes are vertical lines running through North Pole to South Pole. In latitude, equator divides the earth into two parts. Like here, same thing is there. Prime meridian divides the earth into two parts. One is eastern hemisphere and other is western hemisphere. All these lines of longitudes are of same length. The maximum distance between the two lines of longitude is at the इक्वेटर, यानी इक्वेटर के पास सबसे अधिक डिस्टेंस होता है उनका. ग्रेजुअली द गैप बिटवीन द टू लाइन्स ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स स्टार्ट डिक्रीजिंग एज दे मूव टूवर्ड्स द पोल्स. जैसे जैसे ये पोल की तरफ जाती हैं, इनका डिस्टेंस गैप होता है वो कम होता जाता है. वेयर दे मीट टुगेदर, जहाँ पर वो आपस में सब पोल्स पे जाके मिल जाती हैं. द parallels of latitudes, lines or longitudes are also numbered, and their total number is 360. The meridian of longitude that passing through Greenwich near London is taken as 0 degree longitude. माने कि ग्रीनविच के पास जो मेरिडियन है, जिसे हम प्राइम मेरिडियन कहते हैं, वो किस पर है? 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड पे. दिस लाइन ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड इज कॉल्ड द प्राइम मेरिडियन, और इस लाइन को हम लोग कहते हैं प्राइम मेरिडियन. द एरिया बिटवीन 0 डिग्री एंड 180 डिग्री टूवर्ड्स द ईस्ट ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन is known as the eastern hemisphere, and the west of the prime meridian is known as western hemisphere and is marked with as W. इसको हम वेस्ट की जगह W लिखते हैं. The meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. माने 180 डिग्री ईस्ट और 180 डिग्री वेस्ट वो एक ही लाइन है, and is called the international date लाइन, और हम इसे क्या कहते हैं? इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन. नाउ देयर आर सम डिफरेंस बिटवीन लॉन्गिट्यूड एंड latitudes. Latitudes are horizontal lines running parallel to the equator, and longitudes are vertical lines joining the North Pole and the South Pole. The length of latitudes keeps on decreasing as we move away from the equator, but longitudes are of equal length. Latitudes are never meet, but longitudes meet at poles. Latitudes' length are decreasing from equator to poles, but longitudes are of equal length. Their latitudes are 180 in total and longitudes are 360 in total. Now our next topic is grid. What is grid? Grid को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं जाल. First of all, you know that what is grid. When the lines of latitudes and lines of longitudes intersect each other, they form a network of lines which is called a grid. जब latitudes की लाइन और longitudes की लाइन आपस में एक दूसरे को काटती हैं तो एक जाल सा बन जाता है और ये जाल ही कहलाता है ग्रिड. The point at which a latitude and a longitude cross help us to locate a place. To locate a place, we must know its degree of latitude and longitude. जिस पॉइंट पे लॉन्गिट्यूड की लाइन और लैटिट्यूड की लाइन दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे को काटती है, उस पॉइंट से हम किसी भी जगह का पता लगा सकते हैं. टू लोकेट अ प्लेस वी मस्ट नो इट्स डिग्री ऑफ लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड. इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड की डिग्री को जानें. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, दिल्ली इज़ लोकेटेड at the point where 28 degree 36 minutes north latitude and 77 degree 12 minute east longitude cross on the globe. दिल्ली जो है वो किस पर काटता है? 28 डिग्री 36 मिनट नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड और 77 डिग्री 12 मिनट्स ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड है उसका पॉइंट, जहाँ से हम दिल्ली को मैप पर लोकेट कर सकते हैं. To identify location of any place, you need geographical grid system. In order to describe the location, you need some points of reference. Suppose you are probably sitting one of the room in your home or school, watching this video or your mobile or on your mobile or tablet. In order to describe your location to your friend, you can say what is around you. For example, near the library, third room from the office, street, area, city. Similarly, to describe the location of your house or school, you could give reference points in the form of street name, area name, city name, etc. Such reference point would be easily to understand and use for any local person, but for any person living very far in another country or continent, it could be useless. To solve this problem, cartographers have developed coordinate system to describe the location of any place or feature of the earth. A coordinate system consists of lines of latitude and longitude. Line of latitude and longitude forms a grid that helps us to locate a place. Students, here's an inexpensive activity to learn about latitude and longitude. You could also use balloon or balls for the activity. I hope all of you enjoy this activity. Students, this chapter is finished. I hope you all understood chapter. All of you revise it and we will meet in next session. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.